Yo, what's going on? And just want to make another video. New day, new video. But I want to make a video just to help you guys out there, maybe give a little bit of some advice or maybe a reminder, whatever that may be, when it comes to you guys out there who are stressing over, you know, certain things in life, when it comes to, you know, when is it going to happen, you know, soon enough, or when am I going to get this, when am I going to lose weight, when am I going to lose fat, when am I going to, you know, get to, you know, where I'm fully, you know, when am I going to get shredded? You know what I mean? When am I going to do this? When am I going to be building muscle? When am I going to start seeing results and stuff like that, right? And I wanted to talk a little bit on that because I feel like if you take it from this kind of perspective, because there's a billion perspectives and billion different things that you can do and billion of different things that you can see things, right? When it comes to your perspective on that, is I feel like one of the ways that you can see it, bro, is just simply let it come to you. And what I mean by that is letting the season of motivation come to you, because I feel like the fastest things that usually happen is usually when we're in the zone, when we're motivated by something, when it's like something takes over us and we're just doing it on a daily basis. It's like when we turn into a robot. And I don't know if any of you guys have, I'm sure everybody has felt that before, where life kind of feels mundane, where you're just kind of going through the motions and the routine and stuff like that. And depending on the system that you employ in that routine and stuff like that are going to depend on the results and stuff like that, you know what I mean? So whatever you're doing on a mundane basis, usually if you have a goal in mind, you know, it usually feels like it just happens in a day. You know what I mean? It's like that old, like that saying where it's like you have so much fun, time flies by. It's the same thing when you get older. Same thing whenever you're into fitness and stuff like that and you're on a fat loss journey or building muscle or whatever that may be. You know, there's going to come a season of the motivation. There's going to come a season where you're going to want to do it, where you're going to have the energy and the motive to move in that direction. So I feel like, you know, give yourself a break. If you're kind of stressing a shit ton on, you know, the end result or when it's going to happen, let it come to you. And what I mean by that, bro, is it probably will, because it kind of comes in weird ways. And I feel like one of the ways it might come is like if you're constantly, you know, because of the fucked up times and shit like that and all these restrictions and shit like that, we're usually on our phones and our computers and stuff like that, right? I feel like if you are in the fitness industry, not in it yourself, but if you're, you know, browsing it and looking around and stuff like that, at a certain point you'll find somebody who's going to give you motivation. At a certain point you will end up getting to that point where you find someone that's going to constantly motivate you. I'm not saying that's me or anything like that, but what I'm trying to say is, like, for me, for example, is I went through like that David Goggins phase. I went through like the 3 months, a month of running shit till I was on my goals 24/7, like on a maniac, because I was in that season and I found myself getting motivated from this individual, from this person. It doesn't last forever, bro. If motivation lasts forever, you know what I mean, it would, I mean, you'd see more successful people 24/7. You know, the majority of people would have a successful business if motivation was like air, like oxygen, but it's not. It comes and it goes, right? So that's pretty much what I wanted to say in this video, man, is to give yourself time. You know what I mean? Chill out. Don't gotta take it too serious. The motivation will come. You know what I mean? You will get that recommended video on that one, you know, YouTube, or that one YouTube channel is kind of going viral, you know, and it might be a video on a YouTube series of a YouTuber cutting or bulking, or maybe it's a new anime that you want to watch, or a new show, or new something that gives you motivation will come along in some way or another, in some form or another, you know, whether it be on the internet or whether it be, you know, in real life and stuff like that, right? But I just wanted to talk to you today about, you know, getting bit by that motivation bug, getting bit by that, you know, like a Goggins type of bug, you know, that gets you motivated to want to do shit every single day. So don't worry about it. It's going to come at a certain point when it comes to fitness and your motivation for your goals in fitness, right? So that's pretty much for this video, pretty much it. Hope y'all take care. It's kind of sunny. Much love.